What's up, guys? We're doing a animal video.
Yeah, filling our house with stuffed animals. I mean, half of our room.
Yeah, bro.
You want to see it?
Yeah, bro.
Bum, bum.
Yeah, bro.
Stop! Bum, dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Let's get into this.
Bro.
And he just fell. You're going first, Sawyer.
I'll do a backflip, bro. So young now, bro. Ow. Side flip. Yeah.
Come on.
I did it.
Let's do a better trick than that. Oh. I almost fell.
Yeah, bro. Chocolate cereal.
Yeah, let's do that trick. What? It's cool. And then, yeah, this is my new stuffed animal. Pretty big. It's my baby. Look what he can do. Let's rate his trick out of 10. And then he landed with this big belly.
Yeah, bro.
Sawyer's turn, round 2.
Yeah, bro. Yep. Wait, let's do this as a dinosaur. Yeah, bro. I'm being my dinosaur because so.
Well, hurry up. We're only gonna go to round 3. Or round, I don't know.
I need arms. Where's my arms? You ready for the final finale? The dinosaur big jump.
Okay, and after this, it's gonna go to round 2. 3, I mean. He has changed and he has evolved.
All right, let's go.
Don't shake. Yeah, we're growing these lentils.
So you know.
They're huge. My trick. Yeah, dudes. Check how cool I am. Yeah, dudes. Sawyer's turn. Hurry up.
It was my stuff. Use. Since I'm a dinosaur, he's a dinosaur. This is Gerald's turn first.
Okay. Wait. Don't do that again.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Don't.
That was funny though.
You hit the fan.
And he went flying.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going to end the video there, guys. And yeah. I'm cool, right? Yeah.